taste all the flavors of life you need to know. A channel made with a lot of love, bringing delicious things from everywhere. Come with us, discovering the meaning of life and what does it show. We love food world, we love food world.
With Antonia septimo from Philippines and Ricardo Nunes from Madeira.
Taste all the flavors of life you need to know. A channel made with a lot of love, bringing delicious things from.
Oi, tudo bem? Eu sou uma França aqui de Londrina, apresentadora do programa Talentos do Meu Brasil pela Web TV Catorra e locutora também da Web Rádio França FM. O meu beijo todo especial para a Antônia e o Ricardo de Londres. Um beijão para vocês, meus amigos. Tamo junto, hein? Beijo!
Good afternoon from We Love Food World with Ricardo Nunes, Antonia septimo. Hi guys! Kumusta po kayong lahat dyan ngayon? At sana po okay naman. Ngayon po ay magluluto tayo ng leche flan Pinoy. So this is yummy and delicious. Kinaugalian ng mga Pilipino na magluto ng leche flan tuwing okasyon, birthday, anniversary, wedding, etc. Guys, masarap po itong ihanda, di ba? Alam niyo naman. Okay guys, ngayon po ay magluluto tayo. So, sabayanin niyo po ako ngayon. Okay, see you! Okay people, meron tayong condensed milk, meron tayong evaporated milk, at meron tayong fresh milk, meron tayong 4 na egg, at meron tayong extra vanilla and sugar. And then, meron din tayong extra sugar for caramel. Ayan. Ayan guys. Kita nyo? Okay guys, meron tayong sugar, 150 gram, and 4 na egg, 2 yung egg yolk lang, and 1 teaspoon of extra vanilla, and meron tayong 160 fresh milk, and meron tayong 1 con and 1 condensed milk. Ito lang yung recipe. Paglasama-samahin natin siya, and then I'm gonna bake in the oven. Okay, ito mainit na. So, ilalagay lang natin itong sugar dito para mag-caramelize siya. Okay? Until brown and nice brownish color. Okay guys, look at that. Ayan. Guys, agad. Ganyan lang natin siya, yeah? Okay guys, I put the water under the, the oven, so it has to be steam the leche flan, and then I need to put more. You can see with water. Okay guys, let's begin. Ilagay na muna natin yung sugar, okay? Ayan. Ilagay natin yung milk. Hahaluin lang natin siya. Rest natin muna, okay? And then, lagay natin yung following the evaporated milk. Amazing. Lagay natin yung condensed milk. Okay guys. she says. Okay guys. Ilagay na natin yung condensed milk. Ayan. Hahaluin lang po natin. Ayan, look at that. Following extra vanilla. Ayan. Lagay natin yung egg. And mix lang po. Mix it. And then, ilalagay lang natin yung egg yolk people. 2 egg yolk. Okay? Yung egg yolk lang. Just only egg yolk. Okay. That's it. Ayan. And then guys, mix it. Okay? Look at that. Amazing. And this one, look at that. Nice and brown. Okay guys, look at this. Oh, amazing. Leche flan. Leche flan. Pinoy style guys, yeah? Wow. Okay guys, okay na siya, no? So, I need to put in this one and put the oven. Ilalagay lang po natin siya ng ganito. Okay.
We're gonna follow the sun up, please.
Okay. Oh, amazing.
Yeah.
Look at these people. Ayan. Alisin natin yung bubble. Maalis naman po yan. Oh. Ganyan. Okay. And tatakpan natin siya ng foil. I'm gonna cover the foil. Okay. So 30 to 45 minutes and in the oven. Look at that. Amazing. Okay guys. Look at that. Yeah. So I need to put in foil. Tignan natin para hindi siya na okay guys. Lagay natin sa oven. Ready? Love you guys. Okay people, ayan. Look at that. Okay guys, look at that. Amazing leche flan, yeah? Okay. Ayan. Lagyan natin siya dito. Okay? Okay guys, tingnan natin ha. Oh, amazing. Tingnan natin. Ayan. Look at that. Ayan. Okay guys, look at my... Hang on a minute. Oh, delicious. Look at that amazing leche flan. I can't believe. Okay guys. Hi guys, sana po nagustuhan nyo ang aking leche flan Pinoy. So, masarap po ito at tamang-tama sa summer day at sa inyong mga bisita. Really easy to make, simple at masarap. Guys, please watch our video, my recipe, and please subscribe and like. Pindutin yung red button and subscribe. Thank you for your watching. Sana po nagustuhan nyo ang aking leche flan. And God bless you. Have a nice day, guys. Bye now. Mwah! Love you all. Bye. Amazing. That is really amazing. Look at that. Very soft. Fantastic. It's a wisdom recipe. Guys, thank you. In the kitchen, we are fire. Thanks. Bye now.
Taste all the flavors of life you need to know. A channel made with a lot of love, bringing delicious things from everywhere. Come with us, discovering the meaning of life and what does it show. We love food world, we love food world.
Antonia Septimo from Philippines and Ricardo Nunes from Madeira.
If you want to taste all the flavors of life, you need to know. A channel made with a lot of love, bringing delicious things from everywhere. Come with us, discovering the meaning of life and what does it show. We love